What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to move from Notion to Obsidian. We'll be using a sample file, and here on Notion we have the welcome to Notion note, and let's say we want to move this. We're going to go to the top right corner, click on the three dots there, and then we want to look for export. So we're going to click on export, and then of course for the export format we're going to choose HTML so we can ensure compatibility across platforms. Then of course you want to click on export, so you click on that, and you'll be having your file right here. It's going to be in a zip. So now that we have the export, we're going to go over to Obsidian, and then right here we're going to go over to the left side panel. You have some icons right here, and you want to look for Open Importer. In case you don't have it, you can go over to the settings icon right here, click on it, and it's going to take you to this page, and you find community plugins. Click on it. You want to make sure you turn it on, of course, and you can see current community plugin, check for updates, and you can see community plugins right here. We're going to browse on it because we have it activated already. And then you're going to search for importer. As you can see, we have importer already installed. So we're going to close this. So assuming you don't have it, you want to click on it. And of course, make sure it's installed and enabled right here. You can see the button is not here because we have it enabled already. So we're going to close this because we have what we need. Then you're going to click on the Open Importer. This is the icon. You're going to click on it. And then of course it says file format. It's not Apple Notes because we got it from Notion. So we're going to look for Notion, and you have Notion API and Notion zip. You want to click on Notion.zip. And then you're going to click choose file. And this is where you need to locate the file or the zip file which you downloaded from which you got as an export from Notion. So of course right now we have the file and the output folder. It says choose a folder in the vault to put the imported files, leave empty to output to vault root. So we can leave this and say import. You can see imported one. Of course if you want to import more, that's up to you. So we're going to say done. And then when we click on Notion, you can see welcome to Notion. Everything we had on Notion right here on Obsidian. Now you might be wondering how this is a move. Well, we made a copy, and this means that you don't need to rely on Notion anymore. You could indeed go to Notion and delete the files right there, and that way you've moved them successfully without losing any of your documents.